guys, here it is, looking all lovely. Yes guys, so hi guys, welcome to Mama J's channel. How you all doing today? Hope everyone is having a blessed and a wonderful day, and hope you all keeping safe. And guys, and I thank you all for the subscriber. Thank you for the sharing. Guys, I thank you so very much. I love you guys, and hope everyone is keeping safe. So guys, today I will be making fried breadfruit. So guys, I take this breadfruit from Jamaica. So I already did roast it, and with some yellow plantain. So guys, I will be making with it some braised mackerel, and I have 14, and I have 2 braised sausage. So guys, so this is what I am doing today. So I did already have a video with fried breadfruit and fried plantain. So that was with ackee and saltfish. So now I will be doing with some tin mackerel. So yes guys, so this is what we are doing today. So I'm going to just put a little salt over the breadfruit to give it a little taste, guys. So if you want, you can add the salt. If you don't have to put it. But the breadfruit, it kind of have a little fresh taste. So to get a little flavor, you just tip a little salt on your finger on it and just fry it. So we are frying the breadfruit to have that golden color, guys. So yes guys, so that's what we are doing today. And guys, I was absent for a little while because I was in Jamaica, my aunt's funeral. So I was in Jamaica for a little while. I was there almost for a month, guys. I was in Jamaica for 29 days. So yes guys, it was good while it lasts. I have a really great time there. It was very enjoyable. So yes guys, so I am going to fry these, and when they're all fried, then I'll get back to you guys. So stay tuned guys. Hi guys, here I am back with my fried breadfruit, all done, nice and golden brown. Yes guys, and the plantain are also finished, fried also. And guys, over here now, I am going to fry up the mackerel and the sausage. So here I have my bell peppers, all the colors, red, yellow, green, orange. And I have onions. I have the green onions, and I have Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. I have a peg of garlic also. So guys, now I'm going to fry up my brown seasoning. using all ground seasoning. So yes guys, so I'm gonna let this fry for 3 minutes, guys, and then I will get right back to you guys. Stay tuned. Hi guys, here I am back again. So now I am going to put in my sausage. Yes guys, the sausage, they're also spicy. They're very spicy too, guys. You don't have to buy the one that's spicy. You can always buy the mild one also. So guys, I'm going to put in the mackerel now. This is what we're about to eat. And now we make a star. I put some dry thyme in it also, guys. So fried with the onions and the sweet pepper. Yes guys, you know, the thyme give it a nice flavor also, nice aroma. So now guys, I have my all-purpose Maggi here, and I'm going to put some fish seasoning. So guys, I will be using like a 1/4 teaspoon. For each seasoning. Because it already have pepper and all that, so we just give it in enough season for give it a little taste. Again, a spoon. So yes guys, so now we're going to give it another stir. So yes guys, so I am going to give it 5 to 7 minutes for the seasoning to cook up in the mackerel, and then I will get right back to you guys, so just stay tuned. Hi guys, here I am back with my finishing product. So guys, so this is my mackerel and Viena sausage, which is graced in mackerel with fried breadfruit and fried plantain. So guys, here it is, looking all lovely. Yes guys, so this is it. So yes guys, to taste it. Let you guys hear my feedback. Yes, guys. I just want you to try this, guys. Anywhere you live, you can get breadfruit. You can bake it. You can roast it on the stove top. If you're in Jamaica, you know what to do. So yes, guys. So I'm gonna give it a taste. Guys, and this breadfruit, it's have a sweetness to it. It's so nice. This breadfruit comes from Sentiments. Guys, this is so lovely. This is so lovely and delicious. Guys, I hope you guys try this meal. Tell me about it. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for the new subscriber. Thanks my old subscriber. And God bless you all. And you all have a nice and a wonderful day. And I forgot to bless this meal. So I bless that God. Bless the hand that prepared this meal. Bless other hands. Bless my families, friends, subscribers, everyone. And God bless you all. And have a nice day. Thank you for watching.